Hi, we're Donnie and Anna. When we were first married, we dreamed of owning lots of land and building a home. As is often the case, life has taught us to value contentment. Just when we had let go of the idea of building and owning land, we were given the opportunity to purchase 46 acres not far from our home. This last year has been an amazing adventure, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for next year. Today I'm going to show you how we cut a steep mountain road up to the back of our property using a rental mini excavator.
The goal is to cut a road up the side of the mountain to connect to a logging road at the top, starting right in here.
Can't see it yet, but we're walking toward our mountain road. So this is the part of the project that I was most nervous about. It is our mountain road. We're on our way up to the top. Donnie's all the way at the top, and we're going to follow him back down. So we are making this road to help us get up to this logging road, which takes us up to the top of our property. appreciate just how steep this is. It just doesn't show up, I think, in photos. Now that we have the road cut, it's time to show you all what it looks like. Now for the real test. Let's see if we can actually get the tractor all the way up the road and clean it up a little bit with the York rake. Well, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, it would mean a lot to us if you would give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Well, until next time, bye!